pressure reading, which means the MAF is connected, which is a good thing. So sometimes you just need to let them soak and rise.
Look. I can put my hand on the header.
Wow.
I'm not gonna hold it there, but I can do it.
Hey guys, that was the first drive episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. No, I'm just kidding. But she sounds cam. This sounds sick. She's not, but it sounds sick. You guys miss her? You guys miss Envy? Should I supercharge her? You guys see these boxes back here? These are for Envy, and I'll give you an update on her soon and show the install for that. We do have some plans still. What are you doing?
I was trucking after you too.
These are the action shots.
The fans want to know. The fans gotta know.
I don't have an OnlyFans.
Dude, that is not loud.
Okay.
That is way quieter than that friggin' red
Thing we put headers on, okay?
That's because it has turbo mufflers. Yeah.
What's the red thing we put headers on?
Your buddy came and did his headers here.
Oh my God, no.
That thing? I hope he gets a ticket.
I would run from that car before I ran from the
This?
cops.
I could stand here like this and just no fingers. No, that thing? He revved that thing.
Yeah.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog and thank you for tuning in. Today is the day where we do a first drive with the brand new Dodson clutches and the auxiliary fuel system. We have been working for weeks for today, so fingers crossed everything goes smoothly. We just have a couple things to button up first. I'm going to finish wiring the fuel pumps, and Sandy will be here in a minute to kind of finish the wiring to the Dominator. So if all goes smoothly, we're gonna see how these clutches feel.
You got the shitty job.
I think you got the shitty job. You get to wire all that stuff. I would love to take a moment to thank today's sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. And I know we've promoted this game before, but that's because they're awesome partners and their game is genuinely a lot of fun to play. It is a turn-based RPG game that is available on both mobile and PC, so you can play anytime, anywhere. There are 10 challenging dungeons, each with a super tough boss that requires specific teams and strategies to beat, a fully voiced campaign with 12 unique locations, 13 unique factions like dwarves, orcs, badass human knights, and loads more. Within those factions, Raid has an incredible 460 champions. No matter what you like, Raid's got something for you. There are over 200,000 active clans and 25 million players worldwide. All of this gives you unlimited customization and endless strategies. Raid recently released their biggest update yet, the Doom Tower. It's a giant tower with 120 floors, a bunch of secret challenge rooms, and 12 seriously badass bosses to take on. You don't just have to take my word for it. Check out the comments on Reddit, App Store reviews, YouTube videos. Pretty much everyone is loving it. But wait, there is more. With a bunch of new champions coming soon and a load of awesome events coming up through February, along with some special Valentine's Day events, there's never been a better time to dive in and get started. Go to the description below and click on the special links, and if you are a new player, you will receive 50,000 silver plus 50 gems plus 1 energy refill plus 1 clan boss key plus 5 mystery shards plus 1 day XP booster plus 1 free epic champion shaman. All of this treasure will be waiting for you here. Thank you, Raid Shadow Legends, for sponsoring today's episode. Now let's get back to the video. Is this a finished C8 right now? These are just this isn't connected. Don't mind that. Carpet's back in. These are just controllers. This is the display we'll be running in order to be able to read the Holly while I'm driving. Aside from that, I think we have a finished car. Here's the finalized fuel cell. This looks great. This looks sick. Look at all this trunk space I'm gonna have too. This is so much better than just having this bulb in the center here. But again, that was temporary. I'm glad we didn't cut into the carpet. We actually didn't even cut into the carpet for this at all. We utilized some of the existing nut certs, so. What?
like, fine, cut into the carpet.
So he put a little notch in the carpet to get to one of the bolts when he like gave up.
That's fine.
That's
why you're like, we didn't cut the carpet. I looked at Sandy, I was like,
we didn't
I
cut
saw
the carpet, we massaged it.
The downside to today is someone was supposed to come to help us do the trans relearn. It is a Sunday, and unfortunately, never heard back from them. So we're gonna have to wait until tomorrow to do the first drive. But you can put meth in it and make cool vroom vroom noises.
And make race car noises.
Exactly.
Oh, wow! That was a big miss. Good thing we put the carpet back in.
Yeah, right.
We'll just soak it up.
It took the whole thing.
5 gallons.
I understand a lot has been done to this car, so it may be a little bit confusing. For the record, we are still using Pites' controller. That is what is keeping Phoenix happy with all the boost going through her. We're using the Holly Dominator in order to control the additional fueling that we need because of the boost. All right, Sandy's on the Holly. Let's ignition on. How's the flux capacitor look? Have we raised the limit to 100 miles per hour?
Yes,
All right,
auto set
Thunder.
was successful.
Oh, it worked?
Yeah. Start it.
Start it.
Start it.
Here for a good time, not a long time. I can truthfully say it is never as easy as it seems. We spent a whole day just trying to do the trans relearn. We had the guy come in the morning. Turns out we had a misfire in cylinder 1, which we were kind of hearing it before, but we threw a code for it. Turns out one of the plug wires just came disconnected. So the guy ended up coming back to the trans relearn because it wasn't working with a misfire. And we got that finished, and it was pretty late by the time we got there. So today we're actually heading to go get the AC recharged so that I can have my daily back, and we're gonna drive this. We're gonna rip her. We'll see how these clutches really feel. I'm excited. I can't wait. This is the moment I have been looking forward to for so long. The first drive with the clutches. Are you my Sandy today?
Yeah. Wait, let me grunt a little bit and like say smart things that make my brain hurt.
Today we're gonna take her easy because tomorrow's dyno day. We're just gonna be running on 6 pounds of boost until dyno. Tomorrow is where we're really gonna push her up to like 25 pounds. So it's been a long time since we've driven her. We've changed so much.
Runs.
Loud. Everything looks good. There's a cop right behind me. This is stressful. This is the most stressful first drive
This isn't
I've ever
good.
done.
This is good.
A car has now intercepted the police officer.
He's following us from a distance. Nothing to see here.
My heart's beating.
Nothing to see here.
My heart's shaking. My heart is shaking.
It's just a shakedown run. I mean, it's not like we're really pushing
We're about to
it
go
yet.
through a tunnel.
Oh God. He's for sure looking at you.
Should I pull up and wave at him?
Yeah, he's probably a fan. Don't pull up, I'm filming him. Amelia, why'd you have to pull up? Now we're staring at each other and it's really awkward.
Wait, he wants me to go first?
No. Why are you giving them jump? Why are you giving them jump?
I'm thinking of getting back on the freeway.
He's probably a nice guy. Nah, he's out. He's like, oh, I thought she was gonna rip it. She didn't rip it.
The cop situation has been averted.
Wait, let's hear this thing. We're in a tunnel right now. Yeah.
Oh, that sounds so good. Whoa.
Shifts like a champ.
Yeah, that bit. Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Really? You sound like a BMW now.
I was just gonna say.
Don't downshift on a f***ing cop anymore. We're here.
There's another cop.
The minute you start getting nervous is when they start showing up.
Well, we made it in one piece. We only have a 3-hour drive later. All right, guys, let's charge this AC. So, weird thing is that whenever the battery's been disconnected for a while, this never works for the first few days afterwards, and the lights aren't working either. So we're just gonna assume that it's charged. I don't know what else to do right now. But we gotta go. We're in a hurry. We're heading over to Sheepy Race to use their dyno because we're gonna try to dyno 1,000 horsepower tomorrow. But we gotta go because we gotta pick up the trailer just in case. Alright, that's enough. No more ripping on her until the dyno, okay? Sean's grabbing the trailer. I'm rushing home to pack a bag, and then I'm meeting Paige, and we're all gonna cruise over there. You ready for your first drive?
No.
I told you, boys! I got in the car and it randomly started working. There we go. There we go. All right, we're finally on the road to Sheepy Race. We drove 2.5 hours and we had no hiccups, so I'm ready to dyno. How was your car ride experience?
Scary.
I haven't told you this yet, but we have a surprise guest coming tomorrow in order to tune the car, and he's flying out all the way from Texas, so this will be interesting. Shout out to the security guy, Jason, you're awesome. He had me park in the electric vehicle area because he can monitor this all night. He walked in, he was like, that's a sick car, you should park it here so I can look at it all night, and I was like, my pleasure. Good night, little one. You're not a true car person unless you make sure your room can see your car at all times. And the truck and trailer over there. We're gonna go ahead and call it a night here. I am so excited for tomorrow. I'm so excited for a special guest. I have been looking forward to this day for so long now. We got the first drive out of the way. The car drives and feels amazingly. I love the clutches. The auxiliary fuel system is working. Fingers crossed. We're gonna have a bright and early start tomorrow. Don't forget, this Saturday, the With Love Blackout Collection will go live at 10 a.m. I've been wearing it every single day. I love it. I appreciate you guys. Be kind because everyone is fighting a battle that you know nothing about. We out here with love. Bye! Sandy left all of his shoes in the Crown Vic. And I still haven't given his shoes back.